Hello, what is up, Wanderers? We are ready for, I hope, a very fun video. There is nothing that is more EDC than your phone. And ta-da! I've got a new one. I wanted to unbox this new iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is in silver and it is 1 terabyte. So let's get started. Boom. Boom. It's a lot easier than it used to be, isn't it? All right. She's beautiful. She's also hot. She just came off of a UPS truck. How about that? All right, be right back as I power this bad boy on. Okay, wanted to review what else is in the box these days with the new iPhone. You have one sticker. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during your iPhone setup. You have legal mumbo jumbo. You have one lightning cable with USB-C, and you have a nice white box. There we go. We are on Hello, English, United States. All right, what are we doing now? We are restoring from iCloud backup. Takes about 10 minutes or so, no big deal. While we're waiting for this to fire back up, I thought I'd try something. This is a case for my old iPhone 12 Pro Max. Will it fit? Well, yes, except this is how much bigger the camera bump is now. So, no bueno. You can't reuse cases, but interesting to see the increase in the camera bump size on the phone. Otherwise, the body is exactly the same. Okay, and we are fired up. That's the always on display, and it is set to astronomy, which is what I have my other phones set to. So what am I most excited about with this new phone? Well, the first thing is 1 terabyte of storage. Very excited to finally have 1 terabyte of storage on an iPhone. I shoot a lot of 4K video on my channel, Bit of a Wander on YouTube and Wander EDC, this channel. Very excited to be able to shoot just about an unlimited amount of video without worrying about having to delete old clips and that sort of thing, so that's awesome. Also very excited about the always on display. You can see it is chilling out in low power, and it is on. I don't have to touch the screen to turn it on. And here we are. We've got the old home screen looking clean as always, ready to go. It is a beautiful phone. Now, the third thing I'm most excited about is this doohickey here, the dynamic island. And you can see I'm touching it and it is pulsing. So what does this dynamic island do? Well, let me show you. Let's fire up the Bit of a Wonder Lo-Fi playlist on Spotify. Look, look, look. You got some cool stuff going on there. It also will give you notifications when people text you, FaceTime. It will confirm your login. It is a pretty cool feature. Way to take a part of the phone that nobody enjoyed, the notch, and turn it into an asset. Genius strategy. Take a deficiency, turn it into a strength. Absolutely love it. Okay, well that's it. That's the unboxing. 1 terabyte iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's what I'm going to be filming all my travel film on for a Bit of a Wander, and it is just an absolute beauty. I'm excited to use this for all of my video production moving forward. I shoot exclusively on this bad boy, and it's going to be a great piece of equipment for the channel. All right, we'll see you next time, everybody. I hope you enjoyed getting to open the iPhone Pro 14 Max with me today. And one more thing, everybody, if you did enjoy the video, if you like seeing EDC videos, backpack reviews, please make sure you like the video and subscribe. We'd love to have you back here for more videos in the future. Thanks, everyone. See you later.